Think about your shop's physical ecosystem. You don't just buy a scan tool and expect it to fix your brakes, right? Or pull the engine or write the bill of sale, or even park the car out front. Every tool and every resource in your bay has a specific job, and they all work together in a sequence. If you're running an auto repair shop today, you'll probably notice that marketing feels like you're trying to put together a puzzle that, I don't know, a jigsaw puzzle maybe, where all the pieces are brought and bought from a different store. You've got one guy handling your website, another guy managing your ads, software running review requests, maybe someone in your staff trying to post to social media. And, when you look at your cart count at the end of the month, the math doesn't add up, right? So the reason isn't that those individual tools don't work. It's that nobody's ever connecting them. Today, we're breaking down how all of those pieces actually feed together to build a real marketing system. Now, I'm Brad Hurlock, host of the Garage Grit podcast and co-owner of AA Shop Marketing. Think about your shop's physical ecosystem. You don't just buy a scan tool and expect it to fix your brakes, right? Or pull the engine or write the bill of sale, or even park the car out front. Every tool and every resource in your bay has a specific job, and they all work together in a sequence to get the vehicle fixed, to get the customer cared for, and the keys handed at the door. Digital marketing for auto repair shops operates the exact same way. Your marketing channels don't work in a vacuum. They pass the baton to each other. Your local service ads make the phone ring today. Your Google business profile builds instant trust with recent reviews. Your website turns that researcher into a scheduled appointment. Your local SEO makes sure that you keep showing up long after your ad budget runs out. And if one link in that chain breaks, the whole system fails. Here's why the machine actually turns. When a driver in your town breaks down, hears a squeal, needs a service, they grab their phone, they search auto repair near me. And right at the top, Google below the ads, right at the top on Google, below the ads, you'll see that map with 3 local shops listed. That's your Google Map pack. That's your modern street sign. And that's a huge chunk of those drivers that are just going to look at that listing, see a strong stack of recent positive reviews, and just tap call directly from your profile without even reading a word on your website. And for those people who want to research a little bit more, they do. They click through to your website. And if your website's optimized, clean, fast, and easy to navigate, it converts that researcher into a booked appointment. But even better, a properly optimized website acts as the engine room for your Google business profile, constantly sending signals over to Google that validate who you are, what services you offer, and how and where you operate, keeping you pinned at the top of that Google Map pack. Once the customer leaves your shop happy, your review system kicks in to get another fresh rating on your profile, and that new review tells Google's algorithm and the AI search engines that your shop's alive, active, and trusted. And that activity fuels your local SEO, bringing the next customer in without costing you an additional dime in ads. Every single piece feeds into the next. Stop looking at your marketing as a list of separate expenses to buy. It's one single engine. When your ads, your website, your reviews, your local SEO, and your AI visibility are all aligned, you stop paying double for your leads. You start guessing when the phone is and isn't going to be ringing. Alignment creates efficiency, and efficiency keeps your bays full. The problem most independent shop owners face is that they are trying to act as the master mechanic for all of these digital systems while simultaneously running their actual business. When you try to manage 5 disconnected tactics off the side of your desk, things are going to get missed. Leads dropped, things are going to fall through the cracks, money is going to get wasted. You don't need to master 10 different marketing platforms. You need a management strategy that ensures every part of the machine is doing its job. If you want to see how your current marketing channels are actually talking to each other and where your pipeline potentially is leaking customers, then let us do the heavy lifting. We'll analyze your local market. We'll run the numbers on your competitors. We'll give you straight shooting look at your whole ecosystem. And you can grab that free breakdown at addi.me/jumpstart. That's addi.me/jumpstart. Because at the end of the day, auto repair shop digital marketing isn't about buying another one-off service. Every single shop needs local SEO, active Google business profiles, strong website content, fresh reviews, accurate citations, local service ads, social media, and plenty of AI visibility. The trick isn't choosing between them. It's managing how much each of your specific shop needs right now to keep those bays full. And that's digital marketing management. That's AA shop marketing. And for those who clicked in late or missed the top, I'm still Brad Hurlock, host of the Garage Grit podcast and founder of AA Shop Marketing, co-founder of AA Shop Marketing. Head over to addi.me/fuel. That's addi.me/fuel for more practical auto repair shop digital marketing insights.